Which of the following statements regarding the ozone layer is not correct? Ozone layer is a product of ultraviolet radiations acting on dioxygen molecules. Ozone layer is thermodynamically unstable and decomposes into molecular oxygen. The main reason for ozone Which of the following statements regarding ozone layer is not correct? Ozone layer is a product of UV radiation acting on dioxygen molecules. Ozone layer is thermodynamically unstable and decomposes into molecular oxygen. The main reason for ozone layer depletion is the release of freons. The depletion of ozone layer, that is ozone hole, was first reported in North Pole. Which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements is not correct? It is not detected in North Pole, it is South Pole where it is detected. So D is the answer. D is wrong. And the reason for ozone layer depletion, the release of freons or chlorofluorocarbons or hydrochlorofluorocarbons, that is the reason for ozone depletion. Ozone layer is thermodynamically unstable and decomposed into molecular oxygen, yes. And ozone layer is produced by UV radiations, product of UV radiation acting on dioxygen molecules. So D is the answer. Which of the following is regarded as a particulate pollutants? Bacteria, fungi, algae, dust. Particulate pollutants: bacteria, fungi, algae, or dust. So particulate pollutants: bacteria can be a pollutant, fungi can be a pollutant, dust can be a pollutant, algae can also become a pollutant, right? So these all of them are the answer. Particulate pollutants, that means they have some physical existence. Next question. In the context of biodiversity in India, which of the following species is not an invasive alien species? Water hens. What is an invasive species? That is a foreign species, right? Foreign species. So when it enters into a particular environment, it may grow significantly, or may witness a very high growth, or it may not survive, or it will very high growth. Any possibilities are there. So invasive species are those species, usually those who are witnessed very high growth in a particular area, and they dominate in the whole biodiversity. When invasive species comes, all other species they die and they spread over all the areas. For example, water hyacinth. Okay, so which of the following is not an invasive species? African catfish, carrot grass, this is a fish. These all are invasive species. Red hibiscus, which is called as a mandara in Odia, that's a flower, right? Red hibiscus, it's like a flower. They just like this flower. That flower is red hibiscus. So it's not an invasive species that do not dominate other species in a particular environment. So here answer is D, not an invasive species. It is red hibiscus is not an invasive species. In the context of environment and ecology, in the context of environment, ecology refers to mass of living matter at a particular time at any trophic level, a community of herbs and shrubs, a growing crop ready for harvest, the mass of inorganic nutrients found in an ecosystem. What is environment and ecology? So obviously it is a mass of living matter at a particular time in any trophic level. Okay, it's not an inorganic system. growing crop. It's not a community of herbs and shrubs. So it's a mass of the living material. So A is the answer regarding environment and ecology. That consists of some physical factors and some biological factors. Physical and biological factors. They jointly, or some living and non-living factors, living or non-living factors, they jointly constitute environment and ecology. Okay, so A is the answer. Which are interdependent on each other. They affect each other. For example, temperature affect the plant growth. Despite it's a temperature is a non-biotic factor, it affects the plant growth. It affects the environment. It affects the various life of various species. Which of the following was the first conference? Which of the following the first conference or convention for depletion of ozone layer? For depletion of ozone layer, which is the first conference? That is United Framework for Framework Convention on Climate Change, that is UNFCCC, or Saving Ozone Layer Conference or Convention on Biological Diversity. Convention on Biological Diversity, it came in 2002. Vienna Conference it came in 1985. 1985 we had Vienna Convention. And UNFCCC came in 1992, Rio Conference. So D is the answer. It is the first conference on the depletion of ozone layer. As of 2022, which is the world's oldest animal on land? Oldest animal is Jonathan the Seychelles giant tortoise, Henry the Tuatha reptile, Fred the cockatoo bird, Ambika an Asian elephant. So oldest animal. Oldest animal, obviously, among reptile, bird and elephant, oldest animal who live for centuries, it is obviously tortoise. So Jonathan, a Seychelles giant tortoise, is the oldest animal on land. Okay. Next, which of the following statements is not correct regarding the Forest Advisory Committee FAC that was recently in the news? It's a non-statutory executive body set up by the Environment Ministry. Forest Advisory Committee. It examines and authorizes the diversion of forest land for projects. It meets at least once a month. The correct answer is using the code given below. So 1 only or 1 and 2 only or 2, 3. So what is the answer regarding Forest Advisory Committee? It's a non-statutory body. Yes, it's a non-statutory body. So set by environment is yes. Next, what is examines authorized diversion of forest land? No. No, it doesn't advise diversion of forest land. Obviously, it's a negative sentence. It will not, any government authority will not advise for diversion of forest land. Okay. It meets at least once a month. This statement is Really correct, right? What is correct? First statement, which of the following statements is not correct? See, this is wrong. Here they have asked what is not correct. Question is pattern is changed. So generally the question is, which of the following is not correct regarding the forest advisory committee? Okay. So it's a non-statutory executive body. No, this is wrong. It's a statutory executive body. Statutory body under Ministry of Environment. It examines and authorizes diversion of forest land for projects. They have to consider the questions on diversion of forest land for non-forest use. So, diversion of forest land projects. This first statement will be wrong. If first statement is wrong, then these two are wrong. Three statement is right. It meets 1 trillion month. Then whether 2 is right or wrong. Examination authorize the diversion of forest land for projects. Yes, second statement is right. So 2 and 3 options will be right answer. Regarding Forest Advisory Committee, it's a statutory body and it examines and authorizes diversion of forest land for projects. That is below 5. This land must be that is below 5 hectares. It can permit land below 5 hectares. If more than that, that will be the jurisdiction lies under the central government. With reference to millets, consider the following statement. Millets are highly tolerant Millets are highly tolerant to drought and other extreme weather conditions. Yes, that's why millets are famous, because they are drought resistance. Okay. Next. Millets have high glycemic index. Next is, they were rebranded as Nutricereals in 2018. Okay. So, which of the following statements are correct? Rebranded as Nutricereals. Yes, it is right. Drought tolerant. Yes, it is drought tolerant. Extreme weather conditions. They have very high. They have high glycemic index. No, this is wrong. They have glycemic index that is 52.7, right? And lower the value than maize, wheat, flour. These are things. So, second statement is wrong. 1 and 3 options will be right regarding millets. They can exist in extreme weather conditions, and also they are rebranded as cereals, and they are medium. It has medium glycemic index. Which of the following statements is correct regarding Tapanuli orangutan? Tapanuli orangutan. It is a new species of orangutan that was announced in November 2017. It is categorized species as new categorized species of least concern by IUCN. Then, apart from Sumatra and Indonesia, it is also found in Andaman Nicobar and in India. So, which of the following statements are correct regarding the Tapanuli orangutan? First statement is right. The new species was announced in November 2017. Okay. Next is it is categorized as least concern. No. See, there are different Tapanuli or this orangutan. It is categorized as most endangered. endangered. It is most endangered species. Endangered species. Orangutan. Then, apart from Sumatra, Indonesia, it is also found in Andaman and Nicobar Island. In India, no, they are found in generally Tapanuli orangutan. They are found in areas like Sumatra, yes, Sumatra, Indonesia, those regions. So only one option is right answer. A is the answer. Number 17 it was declared. Consider the following statements. The Great Backward Bird Count, GBBC, Great Backward Bird Count. It is launched in 1998 and was the first online citizen science project. Bird Count India organized GBBC in India. Which of the following statements are correct? Here both the statements are correct. That is, Great Backward Bird Count. It was launched first citizen science project. Yes. Bird Count India organized the GBCC in India. So both the statements are right here. With reference to the pangolins, consider the following statements. Indian pangolin is widely distributed in the arid regions of India. All species of pangolins are found in India and are categorized as critically endangered under the IUCN Red List. Which of the following statements are correct? Okay. First one, it is widely distributed now. They are nocturnal animals. They are not widely distributed. Obviously, they are not widely distributed. They are very rare. So this is wrong. All species. Whenever you see the word like all, then chances is that they are wrong. Okay. There are 4 species in Africa. There are 4 species in Asia. They are found in Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, China. So obviously, they are all species of pangolins are found in are categorized as critically endangered under the IUCN Red List. So this statement is obviously wrong. When you see all the species on the word you see all, and chances is that they are wrong. Okay. Then this particular pangolins that are in case of Asian, that is categorized are critically endangered, but others are not critically endangered. Critically endangered. These are the Chinese pangolins. Indian pangolins are comes under endangered category. Endangered category of IUCN. Indian pangolins are coming under endangered category of IUCNs. They are also protected on Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act. Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act. Wildlife Protection Act, Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act. With reference to River Cities Alliance consider the following statements. It is a dedicated platform for river cities to discuss and exchange information for sustainable management of rivers. It includes cities only Ganga basin states. Which of the following statements are correct? River Cities Alliance. It is a dedicated platform for river cities. Okay. Next question is, it is only. So whenever you see the word only, I have said that generally the statements are wrong. So this statement is wrong. It cannot be only from Ganga. It can only from Ganga rivers, right? It is started by Ministry of Jal Shakti and Housing and Urban Affairs. So connect all the river cities. So this statement, particular specifically Ganga, is wrong. There are around 109 river cities that need to be corrected under the scheme. So B option is wrong. One only is the right answer. Which of the following statements is not correct regarding Senna spectabilis? Senna spectabilis. It is a plant species of the legume family. They are also known as golden wonder tree. In India, it is found in Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Which of the following statements is not correct regarding Senna spectabilis? The question is regarding not correct. They are okay. So it's a plant species of legume family. No, this is not legume family. It is a deciduous tree of North Africa. So this is wrong. Next is they are also known as golden wonder tree. Yes, golden wonder tree. In India, it is found in Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It is right. It is critically endangered plant species, widely exploited for medicinal uses. Yes, widely exploited for the medicinal uses. So here A is the answer. 58. A is the answer. Which of the following statements are correct regarding renewable energy in India? India has a total installed capacity of over 4 lakh megawatt. India is renewable energy in India. India is the world's largest producer of renewable energy with 1/3 of installed capacity coming from non-fossil fuel sources. No, it is not largest producer. This is wrong. So one only is the answer. India contributes nearly half of the total mangrove cover in South Asia. In this context, mangrove forests have been distributed in which of the following states? Mangrove forest. Maharashtra, Odisha. Which region we found? In which regions we found mangrove? So in Maharashtra, Kutch region we found mangrove forest. In Odisha, Mahanadi Godavari Delta we found mangrove. Andhra Pradesh, Pichavaram, Goa, Kerala, in the backwaters of Kerala. So all the statements, all the options are right in which we see mangrove forest. Consider the following statements. Ethanol is a biofuel that is made by fermenting sugarcane only. India's ethanol blended petrol program aims to achieve 20% blending of ethanol by 2025. So which of the following statements are correct? Yes, it is fermenting sugarcane only. No. Biofuel are different types: first generation biofuel, second generation biofuel, third generation biofuel. These are non-food crops. These are from food crops. Second generation biofuel is from food crops. So it may be from ethanol, sugarcane, maybe from used oil. It may be from other sources like, for example, fermented food. So first statement is wrong. Second statement is right. Presently we have 10% ethanol blended. Our petrol are blended with 10% of ethanol. It will be blended by 20% of ethanol by 2025. So 2 only is the answer. Consider the following statement. India stands fourth globally in renewable energy installed capacity, excluding large hydrocarbons. India has reached 2030 target of ensuring 40% installed capacity of non-fossil sources by 2021. Which of the following statements are correct? This 2021 target has been achieved so far as fossil fuels is concerned. So 2 only statement is right. One is wrong. Right. Next, consider the following pairs: Ramsar site, Kanjirakulam bird, Salvo conservation, Kuntakulam bird. What is the bird sanctuary? What is Ramsar sites? Ramsar sites are coming under Ramsar Convention 1971 in Iranian city of Iran. So in 1971 it is in Iranian city of Ramsar. Ramsar Convention has started. Presently we have 75 Ramsar sites. So one by one we'll see. So this Kanjirakulam bird sanctuary, it's in not in Kerala, it's in Tamil Nadu. Then Salvo conservation, that's in Salva, that is in Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, it's true, Jammu and Kashmir. Next is Kuntakulam bird sanctuary. That is in Tamil Nadu. So which of the following statements are correct? So 2 is right and 1 is wrong. If 2 is right and 1 is wrong, so obviously if 1 is wrong, then all these 3 are wrong and 2, 3 are the answer. Kuntakulam bird sanctuary in Tamil Nadu, Kanjirakulam bird sanctuary, that is also in Tamil Nadu. So 2 and 3 options are the right answers. MIST initiative that was recently in news primarily focuses on which of the following? GI products and handicrafts, mangrove conservation, 3D printing, food processing. MIST initiative, it's regarding MIST initiative, it's regarding, see, whenever you see these capital letters, generally link which of the option is right. So M from M, so it is MIST. There is no F, so it is not related to mangrove. So MIST full form is Mangrove Initiative. Mangrove Initiative for shoreline habitats. For shoreline habitats and tangible incomes. So this is for mangrove plantation in coastline and salt pan lands. So that is MIST initiative. So it is regarding mangrove conservation. So B is the answer. With reference to the IFCO nano urea, consider the following statements. It is the only nano fertilizers approved by the government of India and included in the fertilizer control order. That is IFCO nano urea. Yes, it is the only nano fertilizers approved by the government of India and included in the fertilizer control order. So FCO. So this option is right. It is nanotechnology based revolutionary agri import that provides nitrogen to the plants. Yes, it provides nitrogen, plant nitrogen, urea, nano fertilizers. So that is, so both the statements are correct regarding nano urea. Provides nitrogen and also it is the only nano fertilizers approved by the government of India. Then PM PRAMAN initiative that was recently in news primarily focuses on which of the following? To promote alternative fertilizers and balanced use of chemical fertilizers, to encourage agri startups by young entrepreneurs in rural areas, to skill the youth for international opportunities, to improve the quality, scale and reach of products made by the traditional artisans. So what is PM PRAMAN? PM PRAMAN is for promote alternative fertilizers and balance use of chemical fertilizers, because the governments want to improve organic fertilizer organic agriculture, right? That's why government so that's why for alternative nutrients means, for example, biofertilizers, compost. That's why government has launched PM PRAMAN. So A is the answer. Consider the following statements. Coal mining is the largest single source of global anthropogenic methane. India is currently world's fourth largest methane emitter after China, United States and Russia. Which of the following statements are correct? Coal mining is the largest source of global anthropogenic emissions. CH4 mission. No. Coal mining is not the largest. Agricultural fields are the largest. Swamps. So India is currently the world's fourth largest methane emitter after China, United States and Russia. So second statement is right regarding methane. Right, methane is a potential greenhouse gas, right, and it is so that it can cause a persistent. It stays in atmosphere for long time. Okay. Next, so generally waterlogged soils that causes methane anywhere, for example swamps, or that's why agricultural fields are big sources of methane. CH4. Consider the following statements regarding plastic waste management rules 2021. Plastic waste management rules 2021. It banned the manufacture, stocking and use of carry bags of virgin or recycled plastic less than 75 microns. The ban is also extended to commodities made of compostable plastic. No, why it will be? If compostable plastic means which can be degraded, that is biodegradable plastic. So why this ban? There will ban regarding biodegradable plastic. So by simple logic, this is wrong. First option is right. This plastic waste management rules 2021 that bans the stocking, use or carry bags made of virgin or recycled plastic is less than 75 microns. Okay. There is another that is called important provision, extended producer responsibility. What is extended producer responsibility? Producer responsibility. Extended producer responsibility. It means those who have produced some e-waste, those companies who are producing e-waste, they have to recollect it, recycle it. They have to recollect and recycle it. This is Waste Management Rules 2021. Consider the following statements. Wetland International is the only global not-for-profit organization dedicated to the conservation and restoration of wasteland. Now there is Ramsar Convention as well. That is a convention. If so far as organization is concerned, yes, it is Wetland International. Bombay Natural Society is a pan-India wildlife services organization. Yes, this is called as BNHS, Bombay Natural History Society, Zoological Survey of India, Bombay Natural Health Society. These are important organizations with respect to preservation of biological diversity. Right? These are the largest organization. Bombay Natural Society is the largest organization. It is BNHS is also affiliated to your BirdLife International. Remember, BirdLife International. Both the statements are correct with respect to Bombay Natural History Society. Liquefied natural gas (LNG) produces lower carbon emissions Then coal and oil. Obviously, this is right because it's a developed, the advanced technology. So, first statement you will obviously right. LNG has a higher energy content per unit volume than natural gas in gaseous form. Yes, LNG has higher energy content. That's why LNG is used in case of vehicles. So, both the statements are correct with respect to energy efficiency or liquefied natural gas. Consider the following statements. India has the largest number of wild Asian elephants in the world. Plan B is a method by Northwest Frontier Railway to save elephants. Plan B is a method of Northeast Frontier Railway to save elephants. Project Elephant is a central sector scheme by Government of India and monitoring illegal killing of elephants, that is MIKE, was established by International Conference of Human and Wildlife Conflict and Coexistence. So, which of the following statements are correct? India is the largest number of wild elephants in the world. This is first statement is correct. Second, Plan B. Plan B is a method by Northeast Frontier Railway (NFR) to save elephants. This is also correct. Then next is Project Elephant. Project Elephant, that is a centrally sponsored scheme. It is launched in 1992, right? It's a centrally sponsored scheme. Centrally sponsored scheme means both central government and state government, they have launched, state government and central government, they have launched this, right? Jointly they will implement the central sector scheme. Monitoring the illegal killing of elephants, that is the MIKE program, is established by the International Conference of Human Wildlife Conflict and Coexistence. How MIKE is established? No, it is sites. It is not sites has started this. The organization sites has started this MIKE program. So this is wrong. This is also wrong. It's a centrally sponsored scheme. So 1 only and 2 only is, I have said that centrally sponsored scheme. So 1 and 2 only are the answers regarding wild elephants. Then ebony, mahogany, rubber and trees, rosewood, rubber and trees. Which state? Which are the types of forest in India? It is evergreen forest. Ebony, mahogany, rosewood, these are evergreen forest. So B is the answer. Consider the following statements. Ken-Betwa link project is the first project under National Perspective Plan for interlinking rivers. Both Ken and Betwa are the tributaries of Godavari river. Which the following statements are not correct? Ken Betwa river linking project, the first project under national perspective river. Yes, this is right. Right, Ken river, that is in Panna district of Madhya Pradesh. Ken, it is in Panna district of Madhya Pradesh. Betwa, it is Betwa river of Uttar Pradesh, UP. They are tributaries of Yamuna. It's not Godavari. So second statement is wrong. One of the statement is the right answer. The Ganges river dolphin can only live in fresh water and essentially blind. In India, their population is present only in Upper Ganga river. Which of the following statements are correct with respect to Ganges river dolphin? So one only is answer, because it is, yes, it is present. It's a only live in fresh water and second question we see there is a statement of only, so this is wrong. It's not only seen in the negative dolphin, is not only seen in the upper areas of the river, in Ganga river. It is present in various regions. For example, it is present in Ganga's Brahmaputra, Meghna, right, and that belongs to Nepal and Bangladesh. But one prevalent feature is that they live in fresh water, and it is recognized as national aquatic animal. Ganga river water dolphin, national aquatic animal. Okay, so this second statement is wrong. One only is the right answer. With reference to the ozone, consider the following statements. Ozone is produced naturally in the atmosphere. Ozone occurs in two layers of the atmosphere. So, which of the following statements are correct? So, here both the statements are correct regarding ozone. They are produced naturally and they are in the upper layer of the atmosphere. And which of the following statements regarding fish are correct? Fish. It is native to South Asia, where it is found in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan. It is a significant vertebrate model of organism in scientific research, as their embryo is transparent and the development is incredibly fast. According to a recent study in the Agarkar Research Institute ARI, a protein found regarding fish. The question is not complete here. It is slightly missed. Okay, which fish? Okay, which fish is the characteristics? Generally, question is about which fish has these characteristics. It is native to South Asia, where it is found in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan. It is significant vertebrate model organism in scientific research, so the embryo is transparent and the development is incredibly fast development. According to recent study by Agarkar Research Institute, ARI, protein found in the backbone of this fish have potential therapeutic implications, the regeneration of indignated human discs. So which of the following statements are correct? So here all the which the following statement related to which of the following? They are related to zebrafish. Okay. Remember, these zebrafish, they may protect humans from elements of space, especially regarding the radiations. So when the astronauts they gone to the radiations from zebrafish before going to the Mars. So B option is the right answer. Okay. Urea, consider the following statements. Urea has 46% of nitrogen, and while diammonium phosphate DAP has 46% of phosphorus plus 18% nitrogen. This is right. Urea has 46% nitrogen. Process of other fertilizers compared to urea relatively higher. Prices, yes. Both the statements are correct regarding urea. Consider the following statements. In India, energy mix in India's energy mix, the share of solar energy more than wind energy. Yes, obviously, solar energy more than is the highest under the so the non-fossil fuel sources for account only about 42% of total generation capacity. Yes, so non-fossil fuel sources. Both the statements are correct regarding renewable energy. The Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve was the first biosphere reserve in India, established in 1986. It has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site. No, first biodiversity reserve, that is in biodiversity reserve. Yes, first biosphere reserve. It is the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Yes, so both those statements are correct regarding biosphere reserve. So if national park is considered, then it is the Uttarakhand National Park, Jim Corbett National Park. Then next is carbon dioxide is not the output product of the process of which of the following type of hydrogen, carbon dioxide. In which type of hydrogen carbon dioxide is produced? It is green hydrogen. Carbon dioxide is not produced. So 3 only is the answer. In case of blue hydrogen, it is carbon dioxide is produced, but it is captured. You cannot say that it is not produced. It is produced but captured in case of blue hydrogen. That is generated from natural gas. Natural gas, but emissions are captured. That is what we call as blue hydrogen. And grey hydrogen, that from natural gas. Brown hydrogen, that is from coal. So the lectures end here, and like this video and share and subscribe to VANIKIAS. Thank you.